Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 SKODA Yeti. So from any screen, you've got phone over here, or you can go into menu and then settings, but if we're going into phone, there's nothing attached to it at the moment, so there's nothing paired, that phone's not on it, otherwise this screen wouldn't come up, it would just connect to the phone. But you've got the settings here. If I take my hand away, it kind of, the menu disappears a little bit. When I put my hand towards it, it's highlighted in green, it says settings. So we'll click on settings. Sorry, I'll just click again. Fingers don't work. And you've got select telephone or Bluetooth. We want Bluetooth. Then if you go down, you've got Bluetooth settings, Bluetooth visibility. It's not immediately obvious, but you've got paired devices here and find devices. So we click on paired devices, and here we've got 100 phones. So, do you really want to connect? Delete. Delete. Do you really want to delete? Looks like David's had a few phones here. He must be as bad as me for updating his phone. But that's it. Click on the dustbin. Do you really want to delete Barry's iPhone 13 Pro? Delete. That's it, they're all gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 SKODA Yeti. The first thing we have to do, go to your settings, make sure Bluetooth's on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. SKODA BT has already come up on my phone. If it hasn't, then what you need to do, go to phone, and then you see please find or find telephone here. So I'll click find telephone anyway. Searching for devices, Bluetooth audio stopped. No, that's nothing to worry about. I've only just deleted this phone from this system. Here we go. We'll wait till it finds it, but my phone's, there you go, it's cleared it and it's looking for it again now. This is just in case it doesn't come up on your phone automatically. This is how to find it. Normally it would just come up and you click it. So there you go, it's found my phone. Click on that. Hands-free telephone, connecting to Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. Check whether confirmation is required. So there we go, Bluetooth pairing request. Does it match this passkey, 169459? Yes, it does. So pair, and we'll click yes on the system. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. SKODA there, we'll just wait for it. That's it, connected, and it's showing on the system. Real good system. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 SKODA Yeti. So telephone's paired, we go to music. I'm just going to turn this down. You'll see there, if I click the 3 red circles, gosh, my fingers don't seem to be working this morning. You'll see there, you've got a choice, iPhone or SKODA BT 9070. There's a tick next to SKODA, so that's right. We'll go back to the record, we'll click play. It will play any audio that's playing on your mobile through this system if you've clicked the right buttons. So there's a record playing there. We go to media, click media. That's it there. It's showing, if I turn this up, it'll be playing this. Now, if it doesn't come on there, you have a source button here. Click source button, and you've got, so for argument's sake, if we just go back there, this is playing. We go over to media, click media, but it's on auxiliary. It's not showing my phone. What you have to do then is click source. BT audio, we'll just turn this up and then turn it up here. And that's it, that's how you play music. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2017 SKODA Yeti. Any screen, you have nav here, click nav. Now I will just show you, I'll just let it, just give it a couple of seconds. Now there's nothing immediately obvious, and if you're not sure about the system, you wouldn't know what to do next. You'd be pressing buttons like right, left and centre. However, when you put your hand towards the system, I'll just show you. When you put your hand, there's no menu. When you put your hand towards the system, the menu comes up at the bottom, and you've got new destination there. United Kingdom, city, street, junction. Now we're going to go for city, and there you'd be typing, if you didn't know the system, you'd be typing Preston in and Chorley Road or Blackburn Road as we are now. But you've got PTCD, and I always say it, great design car, but there's a big space bar here. Cut the space bar down a bit and put postcode, not PTCD. That sounds like, well, I won't make light of it. So PTCD, postcode, we want letters. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR. Now we've got the PR in, now we need to change to numbers. 5, 4, PR5, 4, back to letters, E, A, and then even though you've just typed it in and spent 10 minutes doing it, you've got to click that that's the address you want. It's showing PR5, 4, AE, Preston, Lancashire. Click start.
The routes are being calculated. Please select a route.
And you've got the fastest and most economical and shortest here. That's how you set the sat nav. Thanks for watching.